On my count, that's 2. Down, up, down, up. Keep breathing. We've got 5 more. Come on, make it work. We've got 3 to go. Last 2. 1 more. Down into the hold. Stay here. Abs in, squeeze. You should be shaking. Come on. Stay there. And to the top. 3, 2, 1. We go down, up. All that weight is on your front leg. Chris, bend forward just a little bit forward for me. Good, even more so. So think about reaching your hand just towards the tip of your toe. And you can even look down at your foot. That'll help too. Nice. Nice job. I love what you got going on here for me. 90-degree angle. Abs in. Last 2. Chest is forward. Good. He's working. Last 1. Good. Drop into it. Hold. Here we go. 10. You got it. Breathe right here, you guys. Stick with it. Stick with it. 5, 4, 3, 2. From the 2, 1. We go up and down. Squeeze. We have to work everything, you guys. I want your hand directly under your shoulder on the bench. Your knee directly under your hip. I want your abs engaged, protecting your back. 2 more. Last 1. And lift it up and hold. 10 seconds right here. Squeeze it. Keep your head in line with the spine. You don't have to look at the TV. I'm doing the same thing as you, I promise. We've got 3, 2, 1. We go down, up, and go back. Come on, lift. Everybody wants a 6-pack, but are you willing to do what it takes to get it? It's not only the workout. You got to eat right. You got to follow the food plan. It's just as important. Abs are made in the kitchen. Right now, we're building the muscle for it. But those abs are going to pop out when you're eating healthy, eating in the right portion sizes. That's what I want from you. 3. Come on, 2 to go. 2. Last 1. Back. Lift it up. Take it back and hold. Stay there. Draw your belly button in. Can you go lower? Just a little closer to the ground. Drawing that belly button in. 2, 1. 2, 1. We go up, down. We're going to control this. We're slowing it down. This is not a race. We just want everything to work. Nice soft landing. We've got 5 more like this. Abs in, chest up. Make sure that bench is stable. Last 1. So go up, come down. Now from here, halfway hold. Hold. Come on, fight for it. Stay there. 5,